Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new RST S-1 CE full gauntlet gloves. Okay, the all-new RST S-1 CE full gauntlet gloves retail for $99.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand I never update the videos for the pricing change, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. I've got a 2X on right now. These are going to take just a little bit of break-in. Nothing terrible for this is a really good entry-level gauntlet. Let me first say that. It's just a full leather glove. And you're coming down a price point a little bit. Good quality piece, just going to take a little more break-in. I'll also add that the fit of this one, the entry's a little bit tighter. They added some elastic here, right? Along with the safety strap. You kind of feel that as you go through it. But once I've got it on and I've worn it in here for a little bit now, I think it's going to break in and be just fine. If you're sensitive to the opening thing, that's something you don't dig. Maybe look for something else. But as previously stated, for a $99 gauntlet, you're getting a ton here. You're getting a carbon knuckle protector. You're getting a palm slider at $100, at under $100 technically. What's that there for? Well, most of us instinctively, when we have a fall, we're going to want to put our hands out. That's the area that's going to touch down. The plastic slides and glides on the asphalt or concrete much easier than the leather. Helps to reduce injury to the wrist, helps keep the glove together, can also help prevent a tumble for you, the rider. A little bit of perforation between the fingers. Protectors for all your digits. 2 layers of leather here in the impact zone through the pinky, side of the palm. The slider, safety strap. That works in conjunction with, they have that elastic band all the way around. Tunnel system here, so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of it like yanking on the whole glove, that can just expand there. A little bit of padding here for the end of the ulna. Excellent dexterity at the wrist. Volume adjustment here at the gauntlet. These are really intended just to be a great value piece, a lot of quality, a lot of value, and these complement the S-1 collection throughout the RST range, which includes leather jacket, textile jacket, mesh jacket, and of course the S-1 race suit. Excellent value. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.